If you're on the hunt for the best landing page software, you've probably come across Builderall and Thrive Architect. Both offer a range of features, but which one is the right fit for you? In this video, we're going to compare both tools, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and in the end, I'll reveal an even better alternative that might surprise you. Let's start with Builderall. This all-in-one platform offers more than just landing page building. You get everything from email marketing to website hosting and even funnel creation. Builderall promises to be a one-stop shop for online businesses. However, there's a catch. While it's packed with features, some users report that the platform can be overwhelming, especially if you're just looking for a landing page builder. The interface is clunky, and it can take some time to get used to, especially for beginners. So, if you're looking for a simple and fast solution for landing pages, Builderall might not be the easiest to navigate. Next thing, Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect focuses specifically on building landing pages. It's a drag-and-drop builder, which makes it easy for users of all experience levels to design pages. The design flexibility is one of Thrive's strong points, offering pre-built templates and a ton of customization options. But here's the thing. Thrive Architect lacks some of the all-in-one functionality that Builderall provides. If you're looking for features beyond landing pages, you'll have to look at other tools or integrations. So, while it shines in its area of expertise, landing pages, it can't quite offer the same extensive toolset as Builderall. The third thing to consider is pricing. Builderall has a more budget-friendly pricing structure for what it offers. While some might feel overwhelmed by the number of tools included, the price point does provide a lot of value if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. On the flip side, Thrive Architect is more expensive, especially if you're just looking for a landing page tool. But if you want a dedicated landing page builder that doesn't try to do everything, it might be worth the extra cost. Plus, its performance in terms of page speed is generally better than Builderall's. The fourth thing is ease of use. Builderall's learning curve is steeper due to the sheer number of features and tools it offers. It may require a bit of time to really get the hang of everything. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, is more intuitive. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to design landing pages quickly. While it doesn't offer as many bells and whistles as Builderall, it excels at providing a streamlined, user-friendly experience specifically for landing page creation. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, which one is the best for you? Both have their strengths, but if we're strictly comparing landing page functionality, Thrive Architect's simplicity and customization options give it the edge for many users. That said, there's a catch. After trying both of these myself, I found that there's a better alternative for building landing pages, one that combines the best of both worlds. It's fast, simple, and packed with the right features without the complexity or price tag. So, if you want a better alternative that will take your landing pages to the next level, check out the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available through our link. Trust me, after testing all these tools, this is the option I'd recommend. Let me know your thoughts on Builderall versus Thrive Architect in the comments below. Do you agree with my assessment? Or is there another tool you think deserves a spot on this list?